Kungaloosh adventurers, and welcome to another TMR Tours. Today we are heading to the Polynesian Resort to show you some things you may have missed over here that you might want to try. In this video, we are not going to cover the two featured restaurants you can find at the Polynesian Resort, like Ohana and the Kona Cafe. Both of these restaurants are amazing and deserve their own video, so we will cover both of those on a different TMR Tours. First, let's go to the back to Captain Cook's, where we got some delicious things at this counter service style eatery. There is a good amount of seating inside and out, and they have a self-serve soda machine, which is great to know. We sampled a few dishes, and noodle lovers will go crazy over the Pan-Asian noodles. The vegetables were cooked perfectly and complemented the specialty sauce really well. We also sampled a Thai coconut meatball dish that was served over rice. We were kind of skeptical, but this thing, guys, was amazing, and now I go back to the Polynesian just for this dish. The Aloha pork sandwich was also tasty, and the Asian slaw complemented the pork really nicely. If you're looking for an adult beverage, head down the hall to Trader Sam's Grotto. This is a tiki-themed bar, and the bartenders actually perform small skits when you order certain beverages. Our favorite is the spiky pineapple, but you usually can't get it inside, so head outside to Trader Sam's Tiki Terrace to get this delicious drink. If this was helpful, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. As fun as the Grotto is, the Tiki Terrace is just as fun and has tons of seating. It also connects to Pineapple Lanai, where you can get some of that amazing pineapple soft-serve Dole Whip. If you enjoyed this information on the Polynesian Resort, check out our TMR Tours on the Beach Club and get the inside scoop over at that resort.
Thanks for joining us on this TMR Tour.
Subscribe for more vacation tips.
Drop a comment below with what you want to see next.
For more information and Disney tips, check out all of our social media. See you on another adventure from around the world. Kungaloosh!